Hi, this is a quick demo for React Native, and the URL for this should be in the description of this video on YouTube. So the URL is reactnative.dev/docs/tutorial, and as it says, it's all about learning the basics. And I have a very simple this is the first Hello World example, and I'm going to run it in an app called Expo Go. Expo Go lets you is available for both Android and for iOS. I'm running this on my iPhone 8 at the moment, but it works just as well on Android. So I'm going to start up Expo Go, and I already have an app there. So let me just kill that and start it up again. And you can see that there are two recently in development ones, and the one I've got on the screen at the moment is the Hello World one. So I'm just going to tap on the Hello World app, and that's what it does. Right? The code is all here. It's programmed in JavaScript, and let me just see if I can make it a little bigger so we can maybe read it a bit better. There we go. That's a bit better. And you can see we've got to import React. We have to import the text and view objects, and then we make a effectively a function called Hello World App, and it returns a single view, and within that view there is some style and the text Hello World. What I can do is I can go in here and I can change that to that, and you can see over on my phone that it automatically changes. That's one of the really nice things about React Native. It gets the connectivity happening quite quickly. And you know, I could see about putting another line there, and it adds all sorts of stuff. Now that's just adding text. That's pretty boring. So there's another example down here where state is used, right? And so here we've got some extra pieces. Instead of just text and view, we've got touchable opacity and style sheet, and the one key piece is this again method called onPress, and it changes the value of a count variable that we've decided is part of our app, right? And the render is just putting together a view, and it's pulling out that count and showing it the number of times that we've clicked. Right, and this text here says click me, and when the button gets pressed, it calls the onPress method that we defined up here. All right, really I should have been able to change this name and change this to the same thing here. It's different from this one. This one's a keyword on the touchable opacity object, whereas this is just our our method name that we could choose to do something different. Anyway, what I can do is I can show you that one as well. Let's just kill Expo and start it up again, so we get to select the Hello Classes version, right? And it starts up, and if I touch on my phone the click me button, it does the appropriate thing, right? And the nice thing about all of this is we can change the colors and everything just by style CSS information, right? So for example, if I did that, it would change the background color to red, right? Because that background color field is a RGB value, so that's red. And if I changed it to green, it would do that. Or if I changed it to blue, it would do that. And it happens immediately on my phone. Okay, that's the simple introduction. I suggest you try out that link, reactnative.dev/docs/tutorial.